What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a new driving video. Here's Grandma again. You're not going to see it that much because it's a little dark, but here's the full night version of Grandma.
What?
Here is the full night version.
Really? You think so, huh?
Of course! What's the whole purpose of this video? No.
I just want to hear a little bit.
We can't have any, I don't want to get any copyright strikes.
What?
I don't want to get any copyright
What are
strikes.
you talking about?
If you listen to me...
Oh, because that's in the background?
Yes.
You're kidding. When did you ever hear about that?
I just learned that on YouTube.
Really?
Alright, can we... Let's hope this will be a perfect driving video.
What a... Quit doing that giggle stuff.
Well, I think what I just... Oh my god! Funny Grandma Sneeze version 18 with the driving!
Colin.
Oh my god! No, dear! Oh my god! Oh my... I'm finally glad I get to hear this again!
Colin.
Now that's... Oh. I was trying to make a perfect driving video and then your sneeze was ruined it.
It ruined it?
Oh my god.
Really, that's an easy
Oh my god.
man.
How many was that?
4.
Okay. Oh.
Jeez, I heard that tip.
Okay. Please, no more, no more, no more, no more. Oh boy. Attention, please. This is an important Lifequake announcement. Everyone will report to the nursing station at Rockport Community College. I repeat, everyone will report to the nursing station at Rockport Community College. Well, that was a doozy. Grandma.
What?
That was a doozy.
It was.
You wanna know why?
What?
It's gonna be another... I gotta say this, okay? Ready?
What?
You might get a big kick out of this one, okay? Well, oh well, oh well. Another sneezing and driving video combination. It's another sneezing and driving video combination, like I said, from Funny Graham Sneeze version 8 with a driving video.
Oh, really?
Now this will be another driving video with Funny Graham Sneeze version 18.
Well, as long as I can entertain you, I'll just keep on sneezing, I guess.
And when we get to 20 versions, it's gonna be our second celebration of Sneeze Days.
Really?
Yep. Of how many sneeze versions I have.
Oh. You and your sneeze versions.
And we're gonna celebrate it. Okay?
Okay.
Do you believe me or no?
Why would I not believe you? Although you won't remember.
I don't know. Whee!
I won.
It was a tie.
Nope. Ties, I win. I'm driving.
Oh. Eeny, meeny, miny,
No,
mo.
there's no
Catch the
eeny,
tiger
meeny,
by
mo.
the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. The deciding vote goes to me.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
When I'm driving, I
Did you
win.
say bribing?
When I'm driving, I win. On a tie.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
No.
That's the perks of being the driver.
It's not you.
Yes.
It is not.
I think so.
Oh, Grandma.
Oh, Colin.
I just gotta say,
Oh, Colin.
great, the Laughquake certificates came out in the mail.
She's,
And it's from Robot.
she hasn't got anything better to do.
And that was 2 days ago from the last Laughquake certificate.
Oh, I thought she just got them out now for this one.
That was 2 days ago from the last Laughquake certificate I've gotten. Oh, no. Guess what happened in my world?
What?
You made a stoplight fall onto the street because of your sneeze.
You just make it up.
Oh, your sneeze makes a lot of
Make
messes.
it all up.
Your sneeze makes a lot of messes.
You're smarty pants.
This is...
Oh, when we get home, open the front door and see if there's a package by the door.
Okay.
Because I didn't have it in my mailbox and it was supposed to come today.
Okay. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 videos. Plus this one, because this one has the Funny Grandma Sneeze version 18. That'll be uploaded pretty soon. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And see you next time. Take care. Have a great day.